Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford 480 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have the 408 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper oil pan for the 66 Mustang, front sump oil pan, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted to black, oil pressure extension on there for oil pressure switch hookup, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, all the fittings are set up, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, all set up. It's real nice Mustang valve covers with a matching air cleaner. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, completely dialed in, ready to go. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 408 Ford. Manifold vacuum fittings in there for easy vacuum hookups, electric choke wire, chrome fuel line up to the carburetor, proper thermostat housing for the 66 Mustang, thermostats installed, bypass hose, chrome dipstick and tube. It's a real nice polished Raptor pulley kit with a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, lower hose on the proper location, 66 Mustang on the passenger side, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps all set up. So this way you get it again, a complete turnkey custom built engine for your vehicle, all ready to go. Thanks for watching.